So hi there, here are the do's and don'ts before, during, and after a flood. So here are the 9 do's and don'ts before a flood. First things first, find out how your location is likely to be flooded. So if you're living in a higher ground or in a lower ground. Second is, you must know the flood warning system in your community and make sure that your family also knows about it. This means that if you heard weather forecasts about upcoming heavy rainfalls, then you must seek guide from your community because they will help you on where to evacuate and when to evacuate. Then you will be safe. Third is, keep informed of daily weather conditions. Since we are now living in a modern world and social media is the #1 source of the news around the world, then we can go on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram to see news. And if you're at home, then you can watch televisions and hear news from radios.
4. Designate an evacuation area for the family and livestock. 5th, assign family members instructions and responsibilities according to an evacuation plan. 6. Keep a stock of food with little cooking and refrigeration because power and electricity may be interrupted. 7. Keep a consistorized radio and flashlight with spare batteries, candle matches, and first aid kit in case of emergency. 8. Store supplies and other household effects above expected flood water level. And the last thing, securely anchor with dwellings and other items.
Hi! So these are some tips you need to remember during the flood. Number 1, avoid certain areas that are subject to sudden flooding. So if natin weather forecast like beforehand, na ay heavy rainfall for this week, we need to take precaution to avoid those certain areas which are subject to sudden flooding.
Then guys, ayaw mo adto ng mga tagas na mga water. Dili mo mo adto kay bato niya mo unsa mo, no?
So of course, sa parents at home, you need to be careful what you eat. Like kanang dapat avoid ninyo kanang mga certain food nga dali ra bitaw ma-contaminate, and sa mga water dapat dili mo inom anang dili siya distilled kay ang samot lag kanang sa griporan. Be careful what you drink and eat.
Sige, may na makat. Ano ba tayo?
Cut, pwede ka na to.
Kaya guys,
Atong sakuan.
Naingon naman good.
Kato mga minong isa na tibo.
Padawan. So, pareha sa gilingon ni Zenia, first, wait na, 1, 2, 3. So, pareha sa gilingon ni Zenia, kailangan dyan na ito gina-avoid ang mga water-covered na bridges. Kana bitaw kay pagbaha na manggod kay dili na ito malikayan manggod na basin di ay naay buslot or something like mahulog ta, nananoy masakitan.
Okay, so, my gosh.
so guys,
Yeah.
be safe.
Take
Be
extra
careful.
precaution.
Yes.
First, enter the dwellings with caution using flashlights, not lanterns or torches.
Second, be alert for fire hazard like broken wires.
Third, do not eat food or drink water until they have been checked for flood water contamination.
4. Report utility broken lines like electricity, water, gas, and telephone to appropriate authorities agencies.
Do not turn on the main switch or use appliances and other equipment until they have been checked by a competent electrician.
6. Consult health authorities for immunization requirements.
Do not go in disaster areas. Your presence might hamper rescue and other emergency operations.